Bemath Pro is an all-in-one toolkit designed to make you a math hero. Photo math solver. Instantly solve any math problem by simply taking a picture. Get detailed step-by-step explanations for everything from basic arithmetic to complex calculus. 24/7 AI tutor. Do you have a question at 2 a.m.? Our AI tutor is always available. Ask for simpler explanations, get help with concepts, and receive personalized practice problems until you master the topic. Engaging math games. Turn boring drills into fun challenges. Compete in speed math, solve puzzles, and battle your way to the top of the leaderboards while sharpening your skills. Advanced progress tracking. See your skills grow in real time. Monitor your accuracy, speed, and mastery across different topics with beautiful charts and insightful reports. Achievements and leaderboards. Stay motivated by unlocking dozens of achievements, earning points, and climbing the global leaderboard to prove you're the ultimate math hero. Smart Study Planner. Organize your learning schedule with our intuitive planner. Set goals, schedule sessions for specific topics, and receive smart reminders so you never miss a chance to study. Age grade. Bemath Pro is designed for a wide range of learners, from middle school to college and beyond. Our adaptive AI makes it perfect for middle school students from ages 11 to 14 years, building foundational skills in fractions, decimals, and pre-algebra. High school students from ages 11 to 18 years, mastering algebra, geometry, trigonometry, and preparing for standardized tests. College students and adult learners, tackling advanced topics like calculus, statistics, and linear algebra. How to download. Getting started is easy. Simply search for Bemath Pro on the Apple App Store for iPhone and iPad, Google Play Store for Android devices. Download the app and start your 7-day free trial to unlock all features instantly. Bemath Pro is a global platform, available in multiple languages: English, Espanol, Spanish, Francais, French, Deutsch, German, Nihongo, Japanese, Portuguese, and Hindi language with more on the way. Bemath Pro. Stop struggling, start solving,